So what is x? Well, we keep seeing them in math questions, but what really is it? Well, x is just a pronumeral or a variable, which is just a fancy word for something that represents an unknown value or a quantity or really a thing. So x is basically just an unknown thing. That's what it is. It could be a number that we don't know, or something we're just trying to figure out. Okay? So it can represent virtually anything in the world. I mean, it can represent the price of something or like the speed of your car. So basically, what a pronumeral is it's just a non-numerical symbol, like a letter, that represents something unknown. And the most common one, popular one, is the letter X. So a pronumeral or a variable is basically a non-numerical symbol that represents something unknown. Something unknown. As you go deeper in math, you're gonna start seeing other letters and other symbols, not just X, like Z, Z, or like the Greek letter alpha, which looks like an A, but it's not an A. Trust me. But you guys, if you guys feel like these letters X and Y's are really confusing for you, it's totally fine. Because for now, you can just use a box or like a question mark in your mind instead, because it's basically the same idea, right? If it helps you visualize it better. So let's take this into action. I'm going to show you an example. So 5 times a number increased by 7 is equal to 47. So what is that number? So here, if you look at the question carefully, this a number, this number is our unknown thing, an unknown quantity, right? We can represent this as a pronumeral. Let this number equal x, pronumeral, an unknown thing, unknown quantity value. Then let's solve this. Let's find what this number is. So it's 5 times a number. So 5 multiplied by this letter x, right? We draw this pronumeral x like this, so it doesn't look like the multiplication sign x. And then we're gonna increase by 7 is equal to 47. And if we solve it, it's going to equal 8. Hopefully you guys know what I did here. If you guys don't know what I did here, there's going to be another video about solving equations. So do not worry. So what is x? It's a pronumeral or a variable, which really what pronumeral variable means is really you can think of it as just a symbol that represents an unknown quantity or value, like a number in algebra.